Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to stop maggots from infesting your kitchen trash can. This video will take you through effective methods for eliminating a maggot infestation and prevent the trash can from becoming a breeding ground, so stick around for the best guide. First, use boiling water. First, you will need to remove the trash from the trash can. You should then pour boiled water into the kitchen trash can infested with maggots to kill them instantly. Ensure that you expose every maggot to the boiled water to reduce the chances of survival. You can fill your kitchen's trash can with water completely to increase the possibility of killing any existing eggs. Clean the kitchen trash can. A dirty trash can requires thorough cleaning to remove food scraps and debris and discourage maggot infestation. Properly scrub your trash can using a brush and hot water with dish soap. Apart from using a household cleaning solution, you can also use a product like hairspray or spray antiperspirant to help with maggot control. You can also clean your kitchen trash can with lime powder, salt, or a vinegar solution, or a solution of bleach in warm water. For instance, cleaning using a vinegar solution with hot water is excellent as it can kill maggots and help sanitize and deodorize the trash can. However, if you are to cover the maggots with table salt, expose them to direct sunlight for about an hour to encourage faster dehydration. Take out your kitchen trash regularly and cover your kitchen trash can. You should take out your kitchen trash regularly when it contains a lot of food waste, including after big meal preparation days or dinner parties. Furthermore, if your kitchen trash is open due to overfilling, it will attract flies that lay their eggs there. Hence, ensure you keep the kitchen garbage can sealed. Apply diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a natural dehydrator. Sprinkle the substance in the kitchen garbage bins to dehydrate and kill maggots. So there you have it. These methods, which do not involve toxic chemicals, can stop maggots from infesting your kitchen trash can. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Till next time.